Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal honey soap, only way. Start by gathering oats, raw honey, lye, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, distilled water, a stick blender, thermometer, molds, and safety gear. Measure ingredients precisely on a digital scale and set a clean workspace. Always add lye to water slowly, not the reverse, and cool both mixtures to about 95 degrees F before combining to prevent overheating and separation. Warm the oils and prepare the lye solution separately, then bring both to roughly the same temperature. Combine by pouring the lye into the oils and use a stick blender until you reach a light to medium trace, where the batter leaves a faint trail. Stir in ground oats and raw honey gently to avoid overmixing. Pour into molds, tap to remove air, and insulate for 24 to 48 hours until solidified. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading soap recipes and technique guides by the sink without worrying about spills. Its waterproof design and easy-on-eyes screen make following steps simple and relaxing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it pairs nicely with a recipe notebook. Now let's get back to the video. Once the soap is firm, unmold and cut into bars, then label and place them on a rack for curing. Allow at least 4 to 6 weeks for water to evaporate and the bars to harden. This improves lather and longevity. Store cured bars in a cool, dry place and slice only when fully set. Test a small patch on skin for sensitivity before regular use, especially with honey and oat content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.